I am Aadya. I am from Bombay. I have completed 12 years of education, 10th in CBSE and the last 2 in CIE A levels. And I took art and design in my A levels, and so I think I want to be in the design field and probably in animation or communication design. More than anything, I think BRDS gave me confidence because they are very confident about themselves, so they tell you that if you do this, then it'll be very easy for you to go through with the getting into the big institutes. So I think it's a very good confidence booster for students. The exercises like doodling and the audio-visual kind of tests were not expected by me when I first thought about the NID Studio Test, so that has helped a lot. Also, material handling, it's obvious that they are going to give you materials like clay and string and wire and all to make objects with, but BRDS gives you practice, which is really important. Once you start handling the materials, you realize that it's not easy, which is why BRDS helps a lot. So I got selected for NID, and I would like to thank BRDS for helping me out with that. It was definitely easier and more relaxing for me to go through an institute rather than going alone.